Is there a difference between Thunderbolt and mini-displayport cables? TV to TV cable seems to be more expensive than MDP to MDP cables. Is there any actual difference besides the branding? This is for use in connecting a MacBook Pro to a dock with multiple ports, USB 3.0, FireWire, Ethernet, audio, etc.
Yes, they are different. DisplayPort is a passive audio/video technology, Thunderbolt is active generic data technology. The hardware inside the cable is necessary to get the full data throughput. A DisplayPort cable will only carry video/audio to an attached monitors, while a Thunderbolt cable is able to carry all sorts of other data, which is required for your dock with multiple types of ports. Whilst you can get away with connecting one monitor to Thunderbolt with a mini PD cable, that's the end of the chain. In order to chain, you must have Thunderbolt cabling throughout. See the technology inside Apple's $50 Thunderbolt cable. Thunderbolt carries DisplayPort 1.1 a video, and will not work with some newer monitors, including 4K monitors. One will need at least DP 1.2 spec cables to power 4K monitors. Thunderbolt also carries data, 4 high-speed CE channels, in addition to DP 1.1a. Or to multiple monitors is all devices support DP 1.2 with MST.
Difference number 1, performance. The comparison chart below illustrates just how efficient Thunderbolt is with handling media files. Difference number 2, compatibility. The image below shows which combinations of Thunderbolt, TV cable, and mini-displayport, DP cable, will work, marked green, and will not work, marked red, together. Click to see large picture. Read more on StarTech blog.
According to this source and also this source, you will not be able to use a mini DisplayPort cables instead of Thunderbolt cables. MBA equals MacBook Air.
Mini-displayport cable. Thunderbolt cable. Nothing works from mini-displayport to Thunderbolt.
DP, DisplayPort, is a new generation HD audio and video interface standard proposed by VESA, Video Electronic Standards Association, in May 2006. Currently, it has reached DP 1.2 version. Enter image description here. The appearance and size of the Mini DP and Thunderbolt 1, Thunderbolt 2 interfaces are the same. Enter image description here. The main difference between Mini DP interface and Thunderbolt interface is that Thunderbolt has data transmission function, C, while Mini DP has no data transmission function. Thunderbolt is a composite interface, can be understood as it provides PCIe to external devices, computer graphics card, sound card, etc., connected to the CPU via the PCIe slot. Intel made full use of this feature to develop the Thunderbolt interface. Thunderbolt equals DP plus PCIe, that is, the Thunderbolt interface can be as the DP transmits audio and video signals to the display, it can also transmit data as PCIe. Enter image description here. Mini DisplayPort is a miniature interface of DisplayPort, which only supports display. For the cable with only display function, they have the same purpose, but Thunderbolt is developed on Mini DisplayPort, so the predecessor of Thunderbolt 3 is Thunderbolt 2, and the predecessor of Thunderbolt 2 is the Mini DisplayPort. Enter image description here. Now all the products of the new Apple Mac are changed from Mini PD standard to Thunderbolt standard, and there are a lot of displays and hard disk storage around the Thunderbolt interface. Enter image description here. For more details, please refer to this URL.
used grado e intellectuale.